Welcome to the Equip4you unboxing video, part of the Equip4you Care series. In this video is the Karcher K2 Home electric pressure washer. Included accessories are the transport wheels, Vario lance, dirt blaster lance, high pressure hose, handle, male garden hose connector, female garden hose connector, ergonomic trigger gun, a surface cleaner, and a 1 litre universal chemical. To attach the wheels, simply line up the holes and click into place. When attaching the handle, line up the guides onto the black clips and push into place. You will hear a click once fully connected. To attach the garden hose, first connect the male nipple onto the machine. Easily do this by screwing it onto the machine. The yellow quick connector onto your garden hose and then connect onto the black male nipple. The Aqua Stop feature will stop the water coming through the hose when not connected to the nipple. To connect the lances, simply push and turn into the trigger gun. All the accessories work the same. Attaching the high pressure hose, push it into the machine and then simply push down the grey clip. You can do the same when connecting the same high pressure hose into the trigger gun. Push the hose into the gun and then connect the yellow clip to stop the hose from coming out. Assembling the surface cleaner, push and twist the attachment into the yellow surface cleaner. When applying chemical, firstly take the cap off of the chemical bottle, then pull the clear suction tube from the rear of the machine into the said chemical. The space-saving accessory storage is secure and easily accessible. The lances can be stored in the rear of the unit by simply lining up the grooves and clicking in place. The trigger gun is stored in the holder which is on the side of the unit. The high pressure hose can be easily stored on the side of the unit. The power cord can easily be stored on the back of the unit. Thanks for watching. We hope this information helps.